Look around. It's April 2026, and the admin project manager is officially dead. If you're still spending your morning checking in on people and color-coding spreadsheets, you're an expensive bottleneck. The bots already have your status report done. They've handled the scheduling, the burn downs, and the follow-ups while you were still making coffee. If your value can be replaced by a single AI prompt, you aren't managing a project. You're babysitting a dashboard. The project managers who are actually getting hired right now, they don't track work. They navigate friction. They manage the egos, the politics, and the oh crap moments that code can't solve. The market has split. You're either a task tracker on your way out or a strategic operator running the show. Let's be honest. In this 2026 market, which one are you? Comment task or leader and subscribe to Sprint PMP Academy to navigate AI challenges.